Hello guys, welcome back to my another unboxing video. As you see, today we have a box from Namshi, and I have another option first from Namshi. Make sure to subscribe because we have a lot of unboxing and fun vlogs and everything. So let's start. I ordered October 12th and today is October 17th, and so yeah, it's so quick. I am so excited. What is this? Look at this. I love it. It's called HyperCharge straw bottle from Nike. It's purple color and look like this. And it was almost $22, but I got only $10 from Namshi, and so yeah, I am so happy. I love it. Yes, it's very nice. My gosh, the next one is from Chanel. Wow, it's really heavy. Oh my god, I can't believe my baby is here. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's the complete collections. Over 1,450 photographs. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Let's see what is inside. Wow. Look at this. Guys, I am really obsessed with this. And I can't believe it's finally here. Let's open it. Gosh, I love the book. It's fashion book, and oh my gosh, it's the complete collection of Chanel, and so yeah, it's very big. Look, it's the back and it's front. Very beautiful, stunning. Hey guys, I have one more item from Zara home. I love the design, white color and wood. It's really nice. You guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe my channel for more unboxing video, and thank you for watching. Bye.